So this is a little switch that we put on the handle of the Dyson Vacuum, so you can attach it to the handle and keep it turned on while you're vacuuming. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here it is, nice cushion. There's some instructions. Here it is itself. It's a very simple but useful little device. So let's go ahead and go get my vacuum and we will install this on it. Okay, so here's my Dyson vacuum here, and we're going to put this device on the handle here, which will hold down the button when we need it to. So I'm going to zoom in. So with the vacuum situated in this direction, I'm going to take this piece here with this red piece sticking out, pointed to the top right, and I'm going to put this on here like this and just work it on in there. And then it just slips on there like that. You just push it on. So when we're ready to turn it on, we can just pull this little lever forward. And when we pull that forward, it engages the power button, which holds it on. And when you're ready to turn it off, you just flip it back with your thumb. That's pretty cool. That's what I've been looking for. Something to hold that button back, so when I'm vacuuming, I don't have to worry about my hand or my thumb slipping off the power button. So that's a nice little invention. I really think this works great. I think you're gonna love it too.